Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word 69pwndu in depth. First, the definition. 69pwndu means an internet slang term often implying dominance or defeat in online games or debates. Think of it simply as a playful way to say you have totally won. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. 69pwndu combines 69, a number often signifying humor, and pund, a leet-speak form of owned. Over time, it's been used by online gamers and internet communities. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So how do you use 69pwndu in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. After winning the match, he typed 69pwndu to taunt his opponents. Correct example 2. She posted 69pwndu after answering the riddle first. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to 69pwndu my coffee, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using 69pwndu correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. 69pwndu means an internet slang term often implying dominance or defeat in online games or debates. It comes from the combination of the number 69 and the word pund, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with 69pwndu down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.